Maple Pecan Plait Recipe, the ultimate guide to irresistible homemade pastries. There's nothing quite like the aroma of freshly baked pastries wafting through your kitchen. Maple pecan plates are the perfect treat to pair with a cup of coffee on a lazy Sunday afternoon. Their flaky, buttery layers combined with the sweet, nutty maple pecan filling make these pastries a must-try for anyone who loves a decadent dessert. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, this easy recipe will help you impress your family and friends. So let's dive in. Why you'll love maple pecan plates. These pastries are simple yet impressive. Made with ready-to-use puff pastry, they're easy to assemble but look bakery quality. Perfectly balanced, the buttery, flaky pastry pairs beautifully with the sweet, nutty filling, quick to prepare. With just 20 minutes of prep time, they're ideal for both casual weekends and special occasions. Ingredients for maple pecan plates. For the dough and topping, 1 pound 425 g puff pastry dough, thawed, 2 tablespoons pecans coarsely chopped, 1 small egg beaten for egg wash. For the maple pecan filling, 1/4 cup 80 g maple syrup, 1/4 cup 50 g brown sugar, 3 tablespoons 40 milliliters heavy cream, minimum 35%, 1 small egg yolk, 3 tablespoons 40 g unsalted butter, cubed, 1 cup 120 g pecans chopped. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the maple pecan filling. In a small saucepan, combine the maple syrup, brown sugar, heavy cream, and egg yolk. Stir until well combined. Add the cubed butter and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until it thickens slightly. Remove the pan from heat and stir in the chopped pecans. Allow the filling to cool completely at room temperature. For quicker cooling, refrigerate it for 30 minutes. This step helps thicken the mixture for easy handling. 2. Assemble the puff pastry. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and position the rack in the middle. If using pre-rolled puff pastry, proceed directly to the next step. If using thick square pastry dough, roll it out to about 1/8 inch to 3 millimeters thickness, forming a rectangle approximately 10 inches by 15 inches, 25 centimeters x 35 centimeters. Cut the dough into 8 smaller rectangles, each around 5 inches by 7.5 inches, 10 centimeters x 16 centimeters. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of the cooled maple pecan filling into the center of each rectangle, leaving half an inch space at the top and bottom and about 2.5 inches on the sides. Use a sharp knife or pizza cutter to create diagonal slits on both sides of the filling. Fold the pastry slits inward, overlapping them to create a braided effect. Tuck in the top and bottom edges. 3. Bake the plates. Place 4 pastries on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush the tops with the beaten egg wash and sprinkle with additional chopped pecans. Bake in the preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Repeat the baking process for the remaining pastries. Allow the pastries to cool on a wire rack before serving. Storage tips. Best enjoyed fresh. Maple pecan plates are flakiest and crispiest on the day they are baked. Refrigeration. If storing, place the pastries in an airtight container with a paper towel to absorb condensation. Note that refrigeration may affect the flakiness. Reheating. Reheat in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes to restore some of their crispiness. Troubleshooting and notes. Runny filling. If the pecan filling is too runny, stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch while simmering and cook for an additional minute. Rolling dimensions. The size of the rolled pastry dough is approximate. You can adjust slightly based on your preferences. Pecan alternatives. If you're out of pecans, walnuts make a great substitute for the filling. Why make these at home? While bakery-bought maple pecan pastries are delicious, Nothing compares to the satisfaction of making them yourself. You can control the quality of ingredients, adjust the sweetness to your liking, and enjoy them fresh out of the oven. Plus, the enticing aroma of maple and pecans baking in your kitchen is an experience in itself. Pairing suggestions. Maple pecan plates pair wonderfully with a variety of beverages. Here are some ideas. A freshly brewed latte or cappuccino. Chai tea for a warming combination. A glass of cold milk for a simple, nostalgic treat. Final thoughts. Maple pecan plates are more than just a dessert. They're an experience. With their perfect combination of buttery pastry and sweet, nutty filling, they're sure to become a family favorite. Whether you're serving them for a special occasion or as an everyday indulgence, this recipe will leave everyone asking for more. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your kitchen and start baking these irresistible maple pecan plates today.